guys, Animal Lover TV here. So for today's video, I'm doing a Meet My Guinea Pigs video. So this is like the first time that I've showed my guinea pigs on YouTube. So this is Mr. Nugget, and he's 7 months old. And this is Oreo, and he's 4 months old. Both of my piggies came from PetSmart, and Mr. Nugget was the first guinea pig that I have had, and Oreo was the second. And by the way, this is not their cage, this is their playpen that I made, and they really seem to enjoy it. And they have this little tunnel thing, and I just put down like a little Christmas blanket, and it's actually not completely done, but whenever it is, I'll post a video on YouTube, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. And the piggies just love it in here. I just bring them in here every once in a while, and I'm really enjoying making YouTube videos. So thank you guys so much, because I am actually reaching some new subscribers and likes and comments, and I'm really looking for video requests, because I will do any video that you guys want me to do. So continue liking, subscribing, and commenting, and yeah, so Oreo is he has like this little like white and black, and then Mr. has like brown, orange, black, and white. So he's a colorful piggy, and yeah, so they love vegetables. Some of their favorites is parsley, lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, celery. It's okay. Hey, Oreo. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!